With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here the question is calculate the pH at equivalence point during the titration of 0.1 m molarity and 25 ml of CH3COH with 0.0 m NaOH solution, right? Whose Ka for CH3COH is given, that is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5. So since at equivalence point point N1B1 is equal to N2B2, it is for acid and for base, right? So volume of NaOH required to reach at equivalence, volume of NaOH required to reach equivalence point is 0.1 into 25 upon 0.05, right? 0.05, so it is 50 ml. Next, for concentration of salt form, right? Hence concentration of salt formed is equal to millimolar of acid upon total volume in ml, right? So if we put here, that is 25 into 0.1 upon 75, right, which is equal to 0.1 upon 3, and we know that the concentration of H plus is equal to under root Kw into Ka upon C, right? C, so which is equal to 10 to the power minus 14 for water into given value for Ka, that is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 3 upon 0.1. So from here we find the value of pH, that is 8.63, right? So coming to our option, so our first option is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.